Hello my friends, so welcome back, Simona Cochi in my smoky studio. We're almost ready to watch together Calcaterra. Calcaterra is one of the most awaited protagonist of today, the third day of Milano Fashion Week Women Collection Spring Summer 2024. First of all, here we are. He just started, okay, so I'm gonna give an introduction to Calcaterra House Collection. Volume and sleek lines are the chromosomes of the Calcaterra brand created by Daniele Calcaterra in 2014. The location, let me grab the papers. The location of these shows is Via Daverio number 7. The focus has always been placed on a careful study. You see, we are lagging again. There are too much people. We are completely, fully engaged with the internet, and it's always like that, lagging. But we are gonna upgrade. This is the result of the success due to the efforts that Milano Fashion Week and Camera Moda put to empower the live stream. So getting back to the highlights on the brand, the focus has always been placed on a careful study of form to create a modern, masculine and feminine silhouette. All the collections of the Milanese designers stand out for their innovative as I said, silhouette, forms, shapes, and whatever, and the use of exclusive materials and their sophisticated mood and contemporary design. Yeah, definitely Daniele Calcaterra's philosophy is combined with over 20 years of experiences working with different projects, and that has led to the creation of the contemporary on-trend collections. The brand wants to strengthen its presence, so the vision is to strengthen and to spread all around the world, and also to keep on seeking for innovation and quality. They had also read a journal. That's interesting. So most of the brands try to invest a little bit more in communication, giving more information on the brands, the company, the working process, and also a kind of daily storytelling of what is happening during the working week. And yeah, definitely I'm surfing on Calcaterra site is really interesting. And then you can visit the showroom, and I have the showroom in Paris. Yeah, and proud to be able to review this guy that is one of the most talented and in Via Daverio 7. See what is there, because I can't remember all the places. Via Daverio 7 in Milano is Società Umanitaria, where they used to organize professional training course. I've been there for my English training, advanced training course. Yeah, and then there is also another center, is the Hellenic Center of Culture, You know, see, this is amazing, the silhouette and the shapes of this collection. You can see that is absolutely audacious, audace. I tell you, in English, in Italy, Italian is much better. And it's oversized. Some elements are boosted, oversized, sleeves as well. So, and he can easily serve from more elegant and classic and to the unexpected match of elements and colors. Yeah, he can really hit the ground. He's confident. This guy is absolutely confident. Yes, definitely. Okay, this was for you by Simona Cochi Digital Review, the second show of today, and that was Daniele Calcaterra. Thank you for watching. Keep on staying tuned. I'll be back soon from my smoky studio. Ciao.